In today's lecture, we'll be learning about the strings. Now, we have already learned about the numbers. What is a string? Now, let me remove these things. So, we have already learned the strings in the very first video, and that is hello world. So, this is a string. String is an array of characters. Now it can be in a single quote or it can be in double quotes. So let's see if it works or not. Print hello, which already worked. So let's run. Now print in a single quote hello. Well, it also worked. How it will be useful, how the double quote and single quote will be useful, that we'll see in other videos. So let's do some basic string manipulation. So you can also assign it to some variable as we did while using the numbers. So string s1 is equal to I am, and let's take another string, name is equal to Geet. Now if you want to print both, then you can directly put s1 comma s the name, and it will print the entire string. Now you can also add these two strings by having another string, s2 is equal to s1 plus name. Now let's print the s2. I am Geet. You can also have some string in the quotes and some string in the variable like this. The string is, and then s2. The string is I am Geet. So there is a lot in string, and this is pretty much the basic of the string, which will be really useful. Strings and number are the ones which we will use in almost each